So to program a button for your transmit power, go to Menu. We're going to scroll down until we see Settings. Go to Radio Set. And then go to Key Function. Now go ahead and select the key you want to program. In this case, we're going to program this button on top, PF3. Now at this point, we want to select TX Power. There we go, TX Power. Go ahead and select that. Now if we back out here to our radio and we press this button, you can watch the transmit power icon there, that red button that's currently set to turbo. We can change that. Now we're low, medium, high, and back to turbo.